cuties, welcome back to Lithu's nail art designs. Today we are creating a cute, classy and simple nail art look perfect for short nails, and we are adding just one rhinestone for that subtle luxury touch. For this look, I am using a soft pastel pink. It's classy, feminine and makes our short nails look longer and fresh. Apply a thin layer of base coat. This protects your natural nails and helps avoid staining, especially if you are using light or pastel colors. This design is beginner friendly, budget friendly and you can do it at home with no tools. So let's get started and make your short nails look salon perfect. Let it dry completely before moving to next step. Apply one thin coat first. Remember, this layer gives that smooth finish. Let it dry fully, then add a second coat for final look. If you are new to nail polish, use 3-stroke rule. One down the middle, one on the left, one on the right. Time for the elegant sparkle. Apply a small dot of nail gel where you want the stone. Pick a stone using your finger by just lightly pressing the stone and place carefully on your nails. If you want to use Tesla or a wax pencil to place the rhinestone gently on the nails. Press lightly for just a second so it stays secure. This tiny gem makes a huge difference in elegance. You can place it on your ring finger or all your nails, that is totally up to you. If you like this look, say in the comment section. Next, I will be adding a French border to these nails. It is super simple and the only thing is we have to make sure that our brush contains only a little bit of the nail polish at the tip. Wipe away any remaining polish around the cuticle with a brush. Seal everything with a glossy top coat. Go around the rhinestone, not over it. This adds shine and keeps your manicure fresh longer. Let it dry fully. Clean edges with a small brush dipped in nail polish remover for a neat result. Then apply cuticle oil at the end to nourish your nail beds and add that healthy glow. And we are done. Simple, classy and perfect for any occasion, office, college and even weddings. If you enjoyed this nail art look, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap on the bell icon so that you never miss a nail art video. Comment below which design should I try next, marble nails, French nails or glitter nails. And that's it, a simple, affordable nail art design. Thanks for watching. Keep your nails shiny and stay classy.